Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. We made it through the fireworks. There was a lot of that going on. Whew, child. But I have some good news. I'm down 9 more pounds. So I'm down to 200. I'm so excited this morning. Oh my gosh. Whew. I'm almost out the 200s. I said, God, I thank you. Oh yeah, I thank you. But I'm about to get to walking. It's nice and there's no I wasn't supposed to be walking up in this grass because there's a little baby snake over there, so I know be snakes in this grass. But anyway, as you can see, it's a dreary day, no sun out, which is the perfect walking weather. So I'm gonna get my walk in. Some days I'll do a little, usually about a mile if I'm feeling lazy, but if I'm not, then it's over a mile, sometimes close to 2 miles. So it just depends. Y'all see I have my weight jacket on. I'll try to wear that every day. I don't always have on my wrap because that's a whole process. Joe has to help me put it on. And it can be so tight that sometimes I don't want to wear it. So yeah, but just saying good morning. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Hey y'all, I'm just leaving McDonald's. I had a taste for just for biscuit. I haven't had you just want biscuits and jelly. So I came and got 2 biscuits. I don't even think I got jelly, but got jelly at home. Just had a taste for that. But Joe's about to go to the gym. You know, today is tutoring day, and then I have an online VA appointment this morning. So I think that's all we got for today. So I'll see y'all later. All right, here is where I started. This is what I have done so far, is just this. So here is that right there, and here's sorry, I did that top part right there too. Here's the other side of that. Then over here, as you can see, all of those, that, and that. I have all of that done over here as well. It's really small. Let's see. So this, you can see. So, turn the page, next. So next, you're going to be working on this, number 3 and 4. 4, possibly 5. We'll see how far we get. Hello guys, we're at Denny's Donuts. Come and get Joe and I about maybe 2 or 3 donuts a piece. It's Denny's. Hi guys. Well, Finally got in the camera that I ordered. Y'all have seen me buy many cameras, but I finally believe that we finally got a camera that's going to last us for a very long time. The other cameras I bought were pretty cheap, but I wanted to spend, wanted to make sure that we had a good camera that was going to really be worth the money, and some vloggers had recommended. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, as you can see. I'll show you the back side and what all it says that it does. And it's pocket sized, as you can see, all of these little things that it has on the back. It's for Android and Apple. I'll show you. Here is what it looked like. It just got delivered from Amazon, and it comes in this little carrier right here. See if that'll wide angle lens, Black Pro this, and this is what it looks like. Looks like it's already on. So it's a little screen protector. I haven't set it up or anything yet. Just want to kind of show you what it looks like. And this is the lens, and you can turn it, the camera in different directions, and it can also move with you as well as you move, which is something I was looking for. So if you put it on a stand or something and you want to move around, it can move with you. So that's going to be great. Then it comes with this. I haven't opened it up to see what it is yet. That. And I think it has the, what is this? This might be the cord to charge it with. I believe that's a little cord and everything else in here. And then it has the microphone, wireless mic, go with it. So I'm pretty excited about diving into this thing, seeing how it works. Let me see. Got instructions and everything in here. And I'm going to check it out, see what it does. I did watch the guy on Amazon talk about the camera and how good it was, demonstrated it, so it looked like it's going to work pretty good. So I definitely will be testing it, checking it out, see how it does, and I will let y'all know about it.